name in this area. I shall not forget to take the name of these two persons which I told you. First of all, I shall take the name of Madam Niva Saikia. Many of you probably do not know that she is working with this institution last 36 years. We have completed 25 years only here, but she is here with this institution last 36 years. This institution would have not come to this stage without her guidance, without her help. Thanks, madam, for all your cooperation. Then comes Mr. Shukla, directress of the school. You know how important it is to organize home and organize school as well. She has shown her brilliance in managing home first, and then whatever time she could spare, she has given to this institution. Thank you, madam, to you and to all my teachers here. Mr. Atul Das, he's sitting here as guest. Yesterday he came, we have felicitated him. His contribution also is unforgettable to us. There are many other teachers, those who have left and those who are working here presently. I shall not forget them also. They have a very important, they had an important role to play here. They have played their role and they are continuously helping this institution to grow. This Silver Jubilee occasion, I am standing here before you. Many of you have witnessed this institution growing, and I believe in the similar manner you will help this institution to grow in times to come. Now, I am just coming to the concluding part of my speech, because we have my guests here also too. They will also like to share their feelings here. Number one is the order of two. Ekhon prithibit sob bostu bhagwane duta duta dise. You can understand, day and night, dukh aru sukh, beya aru bhal, apni ei dutate pabo sob. Everything here is given by God in two alternatives. You choose one. And the similar manner, God has given you the positive attitude and negative attitude. Nakaratmak swabhav ami goribo paru aru sakaratmak swabhav ami gori lobo paru. This we are to choose from these two, negative or positive. I shall say you, I would like to share with you, please have positive attitude in life. Nirashabadi ketiao nohobo. Prithibir sob bostu sobe napaye. Hetu bare bare koa hoy jodio moi ebar kobo bisarisu. Kabhi kisi ko mukammal jahan nahi milta. कभी किसी को मुकम्मल जहां नहीं मिलता, कभी ज़मीन तो कभी आसमान नहीं मिलता. In the similar way, Dr. Singh, my brother, is sitting here. I was so influenced reading those two couplets, two lines from two poets. If you have heard, actually, maybe many of you have not heard, but definitely you will understand the word and the spirit of the word. इस पथ का उद्देश्य नहीं है शांत भवन में टिक रहना. किंतु पहुंचना उस सीमा तक जिसके आगे राह नहीं. We will have 2 miles to go before we sleep. यही उसका वर्जन है. बहुत दूर हमको निकलना है, बहुत दूर हमको जाना है. कभी थकान आप महसूस न करिए जब तक जिंदगी हो. যেতিয়ালৈকে আমি জীয়াই আছো আমি বহুত আগবাঢ়ি যাব লাগে. সদায় এটা পজিটিভ এটিটিউড লৈ থাকিব. আৰু at last, to conclude my speech, I would like to express my best wishes for Magh Bihu, for Bhogali Bihu to all of you, and a happy new year. I can see we have amongst us now present, they have just come, Baido has come, Madam Jugabrata Datta with her companies, and we will like to request her immediately after I conclude my speech to come on the dais and kindly receive the felicitations which has been, I just informed you before few minutes about that. So thank you very much for patient hearing to me, and hope in the days to come you will be cooperating in the similar manner as you have. You have got a number of programs, and those programs will start immediately after the felicitation is over. You please witness that, enjoy that, and we have a very small arrangement for you after the program. Kindly do not go before. You just come with us and enjoy the program which we have after all these conclusions. Thank you very much once more.
May the school under your astute leadership move forward by leaps and bounds into the realms of everlasting success and glory. May I now request Vice Principal Madam to kindly request a guest, Srimati Jugabrata Datta from Amar Ghor, a social worker, to kindly welcome her on stage.
শ্রদ্ধাৰ যোগব্ৰতক স্বাগতম জনালে ভাল লাগিব.
Bora will felicitate our guest.
শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ যোগব্ৰত দত্ত বাইদেউলৈ অভ্যৰ্থনা জনাইছোঁ.
Two other guests coming from the same organization, Pooja Ojha Silpita. The two guests from Amar Ghor with the traditional Assamese Gamosha. A big round of applause, please. Shri Bish R.K. Gautam sir, Pooja Ojha Silpita Bora with the traditional Assamese Gamosha and a bouquet of flowers. A big round of applause, please. We are indeed privileged to have so many wonderful guests amidst us. We seek their blessings, as always, And I take this opportunity to invite our guest of honor, KK Chaudhary sir, Regional Officer, CBSE Guwahati, to kindly bless the students with his words so that they can put in their best foot forward today and always. Sir, please.
Honorable Principal, Pragjyotis English School, the Directress of the school, my co-guests today, present on the dais, esteemed parents, the teachers, the non-teaching staff of Pragjyotis English School, and the press, of course, without whose support no function can get some elaborated expression, and my lovely children. Since we are meeting for the first time in this new year, I wish you all a very, very happy, prosperous and blessed new year. Tar logote jihetu mag bihu ahi ase, oha kaile uruka, apnalok sokolole mur mag bihur ulog jasisu. Celebrating the silver jubilee of any occasion is a great honor. We do not celebrate 10 years, we do not celebrate 15 years, we do not celebrate 20 years, but we celebrate 25 years. 25 years of existence, because we feel and we presume that it is an age of maturity. It is in time that we retrospect ourselves. We introspect and find as to which direction we are moving so that we can march ahead towards the golden jubilee, the platinum jubilee, and of course the century. And when a school exists, it does not exist for a century, it exists for centuries, because the generation keep on coming. The world is a never-ending process. It's not that we are the end of this world. New things keep on coming and coming and coming. See the school itself. It started with just 5 children, as the principal was saying. And now the school has grown more than 500 times. It's a school with more than 2,500 children. It has the blessings of 2,500 into 2, 5,000 parents. With such blessings, the school is growing. And if that is the process of growth, then we can well imagine what it will be the life of this school. Coming on to the time, today we are the entire secondary education. Since I am a man from the CBSE, normally my mind revolves in the CBSE pattern. We are in a time where probably we need to again redesign our thinkings. We need to redesign our thoughts so that we enter into this world of today. Today's world from 10 years from now is not the same world. We know that every moment we are changing, because a lot of cell divisions, those who are from the biology group, they will understand that a lot of cell divisions are going on inside us. So me of 1 minute back is not the me of now that I am standing. When I was sitting there, my cell, the composition of my cells were different, and within these seconds, because it keeps on dying and growing, so now my composition is different. If that fastness happens, think of the time, think of the generations that come. And that is why probably we thought of redesigning the secondary education, because the time is such. The children needs that. They do not need to be looked into what you used to look 40 years from now. We'll be pushing them back then, because the time has come to compete. It's a competitive world. When we appeared for the competitive examinations in Cotton College, the center, UPSC examination, there were hardly 150 to 200. Now you visit any of the competitive examination center, there are hundreds and thousands. In Guwahati city, we conduct All India